You already know how to bind and use events and also to use property to modify an element. Angular provides a way to do both at the same time. This technique is known as two-way data binding. Two-way data binding is especially used with form elements. First one is called ngModel, and this is used to track the value of the input field. The second one is called the ngControl, and this is used to track the data for fields which are not input fields. In order to work with these, we will need to import some separate modules that will give us some additional abilities for foreign elements. Let's see how that works. Let's go to source, app.component.html, and if you scroll up, you can see that we have a field here called input field, and we want to track whatever we type here. And when we type the data, we want to reduce the list of items which is listed below the search field. For that, we need to first import some data in the app.module.ts. And since we are working with form elements, we will first need to import form module. To do that, let's go to app.module.ts, and right after the browser module, I'm going to hit enter here, and I'm going to say import, and in the single curly braces, I'm going to type in form module. This will automatically add the Angular/forms, and then we need to declare that. So you can add that over here in the imports. So here we can simply say form module. Let's save that. Now let's go to the app.component.html, and in the form input field type, at the end of this line over here, we're going to add a square bracket, and inside that we're going to add a parentheses, and we're going to call this as ngModel. And inside that, we're going to set that to query. Let's save that. Now, if you get back to the browser and type anything in the search field, for example, if I type in Avengers, it will automatically show us what we are typing on the top.